Hey guys, I'm gonna go and do the kitchen today. It really needs like a big clean. Let's start off with just showing you like the absolute mess. So all this, I have this here that I want to empty and get rid of. Then you go over here, these are dead flowers. There's more crap down there. This is the kitchen at the moment. Up here, and then up there. Oh, I did buy myself something today as well. Isn't she beautiful? I did make a list of all the things that I should be getting done so I can tick them off. Let's start with the dishes. I'm going to put them all away now. Dishes done. I'm going to try and wash this, and I really hate this rug. I do not recommend.
Cyberspace was a waste, and now you're 22. You got a big ass mood, girl. You all these followers. I guess I'm fine. The reason why I should make you crop the liquid out your
I think I'm gonna leave it at that for now and continue with just cleaning. Now they need to dry, so I'm gonna take you over here and we're gonna empty this. These are incredible. So this section here now, anything that goes in here is stuff that I haven't got a space for, and if it's still in here at the end, I'm throwing it away. First things, this you go in here. You're all safe for now. I need to start using this again. Perfect. I thought I had none left. I'm going to empty this. This was a birthday present. I never even opened it. Okay. Now things are a little bit lighter. I'll be able to take this rug out. Look what I just found. Yes! Okay. Okay, I realised I should really start from the top and make my way down, so let's empty this. I'm thinking for this one it's going to be, because it's really easy to use, putting the dinner stuff. Some things won't fit, but that's okay. Okay, not proud, but it's just crazy. I'm gonna leave these in here. Are you serious right now? And the afters. I am hitting rock bottom, and this is state of everything, so let's wait. Am I annoyed that I started this? Yes. Perfect. No, they actually fit. Okay, cool. I'm leaving it for now.